I'm Lewis, a production engineer at CloudNC, and I'll show you how I use 3D printing to accelerate our production. Recently, we've been seeing more parts come through our factory with thin floors, the kind that would normally require bespoke fixturing. Under normal circumstances, we'd machine a dedicated aluminium fixture, but with the speed that parts are moving through the factory at the moment, it just doesn't make sense to invest the time in designing and machining a custom fixture for every one of these jobs. We considered using our free SoftDraw designer, which is a brilliant piece of software for accelerating fixture design. However, this part is much too thin and large for SoftDraws, so we need to find another way. Luckily for us, we've got a 3D printer on site, and we've been putting it to good use. What you're looking at here is a support that we printed for a part that was programmed late yesterday afternoon. We started the print before heading home, and by the time we came in this morning, it was finished and ready to go. That means we can get the part set up and start machining straight away. No delay and no additional setup time. If you look at the cost and time benefits, it makes a lot of sense. We're not spending time programming a fixture, we're not tying up a machine, and we're not pulling an operator away from production just to machine soft jaws or dedicated fixturing. Filament is relatively inexpensive, and modern printers are incredibly easy to use. In many cases, this is essentially a plug-and-play system. The fixturing is printed using TPU filament. Unlike PLA, PETG or ABS, TPU is more flexible, which helps absorb vibrations and provide structural support beneath the component. For small batch work, prototypes, or one-off components, 3D printed fixturing has been a really practical solution for us. With regards to tooling, smaller diameter cutters are preferred for thin areas because they generate lower cutting forces, reducing the risk of the floor being pulled upwards or into the cutter. 3D printing isn't the answer to every fixturing challenge. You're still not going to beat the accuracy, rigidity, and long-term durability of a properly machined fixture. But for this kind of application, where we need a quick turnaround, adequate support, and flexibility, it does exactly what we need it to do. And in this case, it's the right tool for the job.